In this video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a video to Canva. So the first thing that you want to do is log into your Canva account, and you will either be taken to the home dashboard or the templates dashboard. Now, from here, navigate over to the left-hand column of menu options and click on projects. And when you do this, Canva will present all of the projects that you are currently working on. So inside here, just look for the project that you would like to upload a video in. So I'm going to select this random PDF. Now, when you select a project, Canva will open that project in a new tab inside of Canva's design editor. Now, from here, navigate over to the left-hand column of options and look for uploads. And when you find it, click on uploads. Now, from here, you will land inside of the images tab on the left-hand side of your screen. So you want to click on videos. And once you've done that, you want to look for the upload files button and you want to click on that. And when you do, your device's file explorer will open up. So you simply just want to click and look for the video from there. And let's say this is my video. Click on open. So once you've selected it from your device, it will start to upload into Canva, and there'll be a progress bar while it uploads. And once your video is uploaded into your video files in Canva, simply just click on that video and drag it onto your design. And you can use the 4 white dots that are on the corners of the video to resize the video how you would like to resize it. So once you're happy with how the video has been resized and positioned, you can play it to make sure that it does play. And that is how you upload a video to Canva. So now, whatever design you are in, as long as you come to uploads and videos, you'll be able to find your newly uploaded video and you'll be able to use it in any design. So I hope that you found this tutorial helpful, and if you found yourself struggling at any point during the video, or if you have any questions at all, please feel free to leave them in the comments section of this video and I will respond to them as soon as possible. Thanks for watching the video.